My dear student, today we will learn more. At first, I already have told you how to use how, when, all these WH question. Now I have written here interrogative questions how to form with WH, how to form with WH. WH से हम कैसे के interrogative question बनाएंगे. But remember, you should not do it fast. You try to understand one by one because our class is long class. It is not be finished here. यहाँ पर खत्म नहीं हो जाएगा और चलता रहेगा. Here is देखो interrogative plus interrogative में कौन? WH. Interrogative में WH है. WH. Who, which, how, where, whom. Here is this plus verb plus subject plus other words. Plus other. Who is she? Who is she? Here is this. Here the subject. The other words is not here. It is the question marks. Who is she? वो कौन है? Where is she? Where is she? वो कहाँ है? In which place? Where का मतलब हुआ? In which place? कौन जगह पर? Here is this. What is she said? Why? Here is the interrogative. Why is verb she sad? वो क्यों sad है? वो अफसुर्दा क्यों है? Here is this. अगर हम meaning जानते हैं, suppose we know the meaning also. Again, we will once again we will recite it. हम उसको एकदम विर्द करेंगे. Then it will be set in our mouth. हमारे माउथ में सेट हो जाएगा. Who, how is कौन? कौन है वो? Who. Here is the where. Where. कहाँ, कहाँ पर. That means in which place. किस जगह पर. Where. Here is the when. When is used for time. ये टाइम के लिए होता है. कब, किस वक्त में यहाँ आऊं. When. Here is this. Why. Why. क्यों. क्यों, किस लिए. Why have you called me? आपने मुझे किस लिए बुलाए हैं. Question marks. Question marks. Here is this. How. कैसे, किस तरह. कैसे, किस तरह. Here is this. How. वो कैसा चल रहा है. वो कैसा बात कर रहा है. वो कैसा पढ़ रहा है और किस तरह पढ़ रहा है. How is he reading? How is he reading? कैसा वो पढ़ रहा है. Here is this. Whom. किसे. Whom do you want to meet? Whom do you want to meet? आप किससे मुलाकात करने चाहते हैं. किससे, किस शख्स से. Here is this. Whose. किसका. Whose house is this? Whose house is this? किसका घर है. Whose is this? ये किसका लड़का है. Whose किसका. Whose किसका. Once again you will say. Where else? Where else? और कहाँ. Such type sentence. इस तरह sentence हम पढ़े हैं. But now we are going through these kinds of the question mark sentence. It is called the interrogative sentence. Yeah, interrogative sentence. Now I give you only 10 sentences that Asma and Asifa will come here. They will translate it. Remember, whenever you translate the sentence, you should not say very fast. First sentence, say fast, then be slow, as all the students can understand it. Thanks a lot. You come here.
May I start, sir? वहाँ कौन है.
Who is there? Who is there?
Very fine.
तुम कौन सा उपहार लाए हो.
What presents have you bought? What presents have you bought?
Very fine.
मुझे और कौन मदद करेगा.
Who else will help me? Who else will help me?
Very fine.
तुम्हें और क्या चाहिए?
What else do you want? What else do you want?
Very fine.
मैं और कहाँ जाऊँ?
Where else am I go? Where else am I go?
वो कहाँ से आ रहा है?
Where is he coming from? Where is he coming from?
यह किसकी किताब है?
Whose book is this? Whose book is this?
आप किसको चाहते हो?
Whom do you want? Whom do you want?
Very fine.
आप किससे बात कर रहे थे?
Who were you talking to? Who were you talking to?
Very fine.
वो क्यों आया?
Why did he came? Why did he come? Why did he come? Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Brain Master Spoken English.